Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great today. I am Darpit Trivedi from ESPI Anand branch, and today I have brought something very special and very useful for you. There are several people, including you and me, who use English words every now and then in everyday life. But have we ever wondered that if we could replace these words with some other synonyms or some similar words, we can convey our message, our feelings in a more stronger way. So I have brought this video for you to just know about the more words and how effectively you can express your feelings. So let's start with our first word, that is new. We use this word every now and then and very often, whether it be for people, for cars, for mobile phones, kitchen, bathroom, or for modern world. We always use the word new. But have you ever wondered that instead of using new, there are proper appropriate words that can be more effective to convey your message? If I talk about cars, why do we say we have new car? Instead, we can say we have advanced cars. If we talk about ideas, like if a group discussion is going on and you are there with your new idea, it would be more effective if you say I have an innovative idea. Similarly, if we say new people of new society, again it seems to be very much common. Instead, we could have spoken that modern people in the modern society. This helps you to bring out your expression in the form of words. And last but not the least, you can also use the word updated. Now we know very well that things keeps on changing, they keep on developing. Now they get updated. They don't become new, but they get updated with few of the added features. Like kitchen or bathroom, we can say, I have updated my bathroom or my kitchen with the latest features. Let's talk about the second word now, and that is angry. Now this word often comes on our tongue when we are angry with someone. Despite of any situation or any feeling, we use this word anyway. But have you ever felt or thought that I could have used some appropriate words to show the anger? The first one is furious, means angry or violent, or I would say extremely angry or violent. Now for example, if you are upset, you just speak out something you're not supposed to speak, and then you are angry on yourself. In that case, you can say that as soon as the words were out, I was furious with myself. Or it can be an example of a friend also. At that time, I would say that rather than using the word angry, you could have used the word furious. Secondly, enraged. Few times you might have observed people around you. Might be your friends, family members, or colleagues. Sometimes you get upset or angry because of their behavior. And you just speak simply that, okay, his behavior is making me angry. Instead, if you want to strongly show your emotions for that, you should have spoken that his behavior enraged me. Moving further, heated can also be used instead of being angry. Like few times when people are not happy or satisfied with the convictions from the higher authorities or officials, they have a heated argument with the officials. They are quite angry with the conviction, they are not ready to accept it. So here the suitable word is heated. They had, or he or she had, an heated argument with the officials. The last one we have, that is resentful. Now this is something where you show anger for someone, especially towards your siblings at your home. Now I would say that many times you have observed at your home that your parents are giving a little bit more importance to a sibling or anything else. Now from that you develop jealousy inside you, and from that jealousy you develop anger inside you, right? So at that time you could say that like, I was just resentful for the time my father had spent with my sibling. Moving further, the next word we have is good. Usually we use this word to appreciate someone's hard work or some good feelings for someone or some things. So by using the word again and again, it might decrease the way you show your feelings. Instead, there are other alternative words which can be used instead of good. The first one we have, that is excellent, something that is extremely good. For example, Tom's speech was excellent. Now here you're too happy with it and you want to display your feelings for his speech. So instead of speaking that his speech was good, you could also speak that Tom's speech was excellent. Second we have that is fantastic. Now for what specific reason or where do we use the word fantastic? That is extraordinarily good. When something is good and along with it, it is extraordinarily. At that time we use the word fantastic. We can use this word in the terms of weather also, that the weather is fantastic today, or the weather is absolutely fantastic. Like you were not expecting the weather to be good, or you were expecting the weather to be good, but in this case the weather is extraordinarily good. So we use the word fantastic. Next we have marvelous. Something that causes wonder. You get impressed by it. So just do you think that just speaking the word good can display your feelings for that? No. I would suggest to use the word marvelous, because that thing is causing wonder and you're highly impressed with that thing. So we can say, for example, a painting. If you are instant impressed by a painting, you can say that the painting is marvelous. Means it is causing wonder and it is really very good. And last we have that is outstanding. Something that is exceptionally good. Like for example, a match between two teams or something like that. Now at that time, if you're not expecting a team to win and that team wins, you are surprised by that, and that is completely not expected. That is completely exceptional win over there. So to use this in the form of a sentence, we can say they won the match because of their outstanding performance, or what an outstanding performance this player had today. Let's see our next word, that is happy. Now whenever we are happy in the different situation, but the thing is we use the same word to show our feelings in the different situation. Instead we could use some of the alternative words to show our feeling with more accuracy here. Let's talk about the first one, that is blissful. Blissful means extremely happy, when someone is extremely happy. For example, the couple was very blissful on their wedding day. Means the couple was extremely good and extremely happy on their wedding day. Second we have that is ecstatic. Now ecstatic means feeling or expressing the joyful excitement. Means here you're not only happy but you're also excited. For example, Richard was ecstatic at the news of his daughter's birth. He was very much excited and happy when he came to know about the birth of his daughter. The third that we have is here joyous. Something that is full of happiness. Now this word you have used several times during the festival season, especially during the new year. We always wish to the near and dear ones that I wish you a joyous new year. Now at that time of wishing them a joyous new year, we wish them a new year full of happiness. So here when we want to wish someone having full of happiness, we use the word joyous. Next one we have that is joyful. Something that causes great happiness. For example, a wedding is a joyful celebration of love. So here this celebration of love is completed through the wedding. So they are completely happy. It results or it causes happiness. The next word we have in the list, that is important. Now we use this word for everything, like this is important for me, that is important for me, my mother is important for me, my family, my country is important for me. But at times there are some specific words which can be used instead of the word important. Let us see the first one, and that is crucial. Something that is extremely important, without which the things cannot be taken further. For example, salt is crucial for cooking. Means we know very well that if there's no salt in the food, it will be completely tasteless and it will be useless. Secondly, we can say that oxygen is crucial for humans. Now this is something which is very important, extremely important. Without oxygen the humans cannot survive. Second we have that is essential, that is absolutely necessary. Means when there's something necessary, or I can say absolutely necessary for something, it can be denoted by the word essential. We can say that early booking is essential as the space is limited. Now if you are going for a movie, if you are planning to go on a tour or somewhere else, or do something else. Here you can use the word essential instead of just speaking important. That early booking is essential as the space is limited, something that is absolutely necessary. Third, we have paramount. That's something that is most important. Now, if you talk about something most important, the first thing comes that is about the women in the society. We can say through the example that women's role as a mother is paramount for society, is the most important thing in a society. What? The role of a woman as a mother. And the last word we have in today's list, that is interesting. Again, we use the same word for the different purposes, but we are not aware about the different words which can easily replace the word interesting from a sentence. The first one, that is captivating. Captivating means something that is capable of holding interest. We can say that the subject was extremely boring, but the way the tutor was teaching was captivating. Means the way in which the tutor was teaching was completely capable of holding the interest of the students. Second one we have, that is gripping. Something that strongly holds your interest. It can be used for the movies, for the web series, TV shows, anything which holds your interest very strongly. And the last meaning or the last word I would say we have here, that is intriguing. Means arousing one's interest, means increasing the curiosity, increasing the interest in something, and intriguing story or intriguing personality. Like if you're impressed by someone's personality, you're very much into knowing about that person more and more, and the curiosity growing inside you can be denoted as ingrowing. I hope the video was very much helpful for you. If you think it was useful, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course share the video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to subscribe our channel so you will be notified about the upcoming videos.